So here I am, final time to see in the daylight Legend of the Seas, and I'm taking now one final videos and pictures in the daytime, because in the 3 a.m. in the next morning she will be leaving here. So this is now the final time to see it in the daylight from here, from Finland, in the shipyard. See you on the departure video. Yeah, this has been amazing journey. A lot of new contacts during this time, these 2 years when I have been filming this Legend, and yeah, couple months and I will be staying with her in the Caribbean. So I'm looking forward for that. And yeah, weather is nice, wind is quite strong, so I think that's the one reason why she is leaving 3 a.m. But it's just a challenge for me, but I will be there. So nothing cannot stop us to filming this moment. And huge thanks to everybody who has watching these construction update videos. And if this was your first time, welcome. And I'm hoping to see you again with the new videos with the Hero of the Seas. So I will be back here, I think on September, some point in fall. But this is like a time to say have a nice summer, and remember to relax now, and see you on next time.